Networking services. Virtual Private Cloud, VPC. Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, is a networking service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS, that allows users to create a private, isolated section of the AWS cloud that they can customize and control. With VPC, users can launch AWS resources into a virtual network that they define. VPC provides users with complete control over their virtual networking environment, including IP address ranges, subnets, routing tables, and network gateways. Users can create and manage multiple VPCs, and can also connect their VPCs to other VPCs or to their on-premises network using VPN or Direct Connect. VPC provides several features to improve security and compliance, such as VPC flow logs, which capture information about the IP traffic going to and from network interfaces in a VPC. VPC also integrates with AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, allowing users to control who can access their VPC and the resources within it. In summary, Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, is a networking service provided by AWS that allows users to create a private, isolated section of the AWS cloud that they can customize and control. VPC provides users with complete control over their virtual networking environment, including IP address ranges, subnets, routing tables, and network gateways. VPC allows users to launch AWS resources in a virtual private network and define security rules and access controls. VPC provides several features to improve security and compliance, and integrates with AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM. Subnets, route tables, and gateways. In Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, subnets, route tables, and gateways are key components that allow users to define and control the network traffic within their virtual private network. Subnets are a way to partition a VPC into smaller, more manageable networks. Each subnet is associated with a specific availability zone, and the resources launched in that subnet are located in that zone. Subnets are identified by an IP address range, and resources within the same subnet can communicate with each other directly, without the need for a gateway. Route tables are used to control the traffic within and between subnets in a VPC. Each subnet is associated with a specific route table, which contains a set of rules that determine how the traffic should be routed. These rules specify the destination IP address range, the target network gateway, and any optional parameters such as the source IP address range or protocol. Gateways are used to connect a VPC to the outside world, either through the internet or to an on-premises network. AWS provides two types of gateways: Internet Gateway, IGW, and Virtual Private Gateway, VGW. An IGW is used to connect a VPC to the internet, allowing resources in the VPC to access the internet and be accessed by the internet. A VGW is used to connect a VPC to an on-premises network, allowing resources in the VPC to communicate with resources in the on-premises network. In summary, subnets, route tables, and gateways are key components of Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, that allow users to define and control the network traffic within their virtual private network. Subnets are used to partition a VPC into smaller networks, while route tables are used to control the traffic within and between subnets. Gateways are used to connect a VPC to the internet or to an on-premises network. VPC provides several features to improve security and compliance, such as security groups, network ACLs, and elastic IP addresses. Security groups and network ACLs. Security groups act as a virtual firewall for your instances to control inbound and outbound traffic. They are associated with a specific instance and are stateful, which means that they keep track of the traffic that has been allowed in and out of the instance. Each security group has a set of rules that allow or deny traffic based on its source IP address, destination IP address, and protocol. For example, you can create a security group rule to allow SSH traffic from a specific IP address range to a specific instance. Network ACLs, on the other hand, are an additional layer of security that controls traffic at the subnet level. They are stateless, which means that they don't keep track of the traffic that has been allowed in and out of the instance. Network ACLs provide a set of rules to allow or deny traffic based on the source IP address, destination IP address, and protocol. For example, you can create a network ACL rule to allow HTTP traffic to flow from a specific IP address range to a specific subnet. In summary, security groups and network ACLs are key features of Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, that provide security and control over the inbound and outbound traffic within a VPC. Security groups act as a virtual firewall for instances and are stateful, while network ACLs control traffic at the subnet level and are stateless. Both security groups and network ACLs are essential for securing and controlling the traffic within a VPC. Direct Connect and VPN. Direct Connect is a dedicated network connection that allows you to establish a private, low-latency connection between your data center and an AWS region. With Direct Connect, you can bypass the public internet and establish a direct physical connection with AWS, which can provide a more reliable, consistent, and secure network experience. Direct Connect offers several different connection speeds ranging from 50 megabits per second to 10 gigabits per second, and you can use multiple connections to create a redundant and highly available connection. VPN, or Virtual Private Network, provides a secure and encrypted connection between your data center and an AWS VPC over the public internet. VPN is a cost-effective solution that uses the internet to provide a secure connection. VPN connections use IPsec or SSL/TLS encryption to secure the communication between your data center and AWS, providing a secure tunnel over the public internet. VPN is a good solution for smaller workloads or where the bandwidth requirements are lower than Direct Connect. In summary, Direct Connect and VPN are two services that provide secure and reliable connectivity between an on-premises data center and an AWS VPC. Direct Connect provides a dedicated physical connection between your data center and AWS, while VPN provides a secure and encrypted connection over the public internet. The choice between Direct Connect and VPN depends on your specific requirements, such as bandwidth, security, and cost.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.